Everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Please do well to go down below and click that link and be part of our WhatsApp group. Today I want to show you how to do dependable drop downs in Excel, and of course we are going to be using the XLOOKUP function. It has replaced the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP functions, and it makes life so easy for those of you who are used to this function. And if you want to use this particular style, you need to have at least Excel 360. Okay, it's very important to have a higher version of Excel. But of course I'm going to be using names of country, or a name of region, and then the division and then subdivision. Okay, so dependable drop downs, it deals with breaking down things from the whole and then go to specific and then go to more specific. That is what it means. For instance, let's say we want to deal with kinds of fruits and then kinds of vegetables. Okay, and when we, under the name vegetable, we have the different types of vegetables. Under the name fruits, we have the different types of fruits. It's the same philosophy. You can apply it in different other contexts. Okay, so of course today we'll just be using the regions, divisions, and subdivisions for the purpose of this lesson. Please, let's jump in so I show you how this works.
So to do a dependable drop down, first of all I want us to take note that these are names of places. So under here we have Northwest, these are divisions under Northwest. Here we have Southwest, these are divisions under Southwest. Okay, and each division here in Southwest and Northwest has a subdivision that we have placed here. So you see how we have first of all organized our table. It means that when we do our dependable drop down, this Southwest, when you click Southwest, all divisions of Southwest will appear. Okay, and when you click this particular division, it will come and then pick Kumba because under Meme. When you pick this particular division under Southwest, it comes and then pick these subdivisions here. That is the objective of this video. So let me start. So to start is simple. I'll come here and I write regions. Okay, all right, regions, sorry. All right, regions, all right, and then here I'll write divisions. Divisions, and then here I'll write subdivisions. Okay, perfect. That is it. I'm just trying to lay emphasis on the cells that I'll be using. So first of all, come up here. Remember we are using XLOOKUP. So when I come here, I'm going to click here, then go to data, then come up here to data validation, and then I bring this small box, you see. So right here I'm going to click list because I want to be listing them. Okay, and right here it's simple for me. I'll just come here and then I reference this cell. Okay, I'll come here and then I reference this Northwest and Southwest because I want them to be appearing here. And once I reference them, I'll just click OK. Perfect. You see that now they can appear here, Northwest and Southwest. That's the first step. The second step I want to do now is I'll come to the divisions now, and I click go again to data validation. And then when I go there, there's something I'll do now. I'll go here again and I click my list, and then I now start writing my formula equals to an X lookup. You see now, sorry, K and OP, perfect, and I open my bracket. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do now again, I'll still come and I reference this cell because I want this cell to have a relationship with this other cell. Okay, and when I do that, I put comma, and I come again, I emphasize again here, I select this other Northwest and Southwest because I want this to also have a relationship with all these divisions here. And I click comma, and then I come again now and then I select all the divisions. You see? Because I want this to have a relationship with these divisions, and then I close my bracket. Okay? Once I do that, I'm going to click OK. You see now? You see all these divisions are here. And when I click Southwest or Northwest and I come and click here, it gives me all divisions of Northwest. And when I come here and I click southwest, you see that it gives me divisions of southwest. Okay, perfect. We move again to the next. Now I want each division here to be picking out subdivision under each. Okay, it's simple. I'll come again to subdivision, and I go again to data validation, and then I select my list again, and then here again I'll start writing my formula. Remember, each time I want to write a formula, start with equals to, and I write XLOOKUP. So this is the power of XLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. So right now, when I click it here, I want to be referencing this. Remember, when I was here, I was referencing here. Right now I'm here, I'm referencing here. Okay, because I want this to have a relationship with this. And then I put my comma, and then the next thing I want to do now is emphasize. Remember, when we were here, we came and emphasize because this was having a relationship with this. Now we want to come and emphasize all the divisions. Remember, these are the divisions here. We have placed them here, and we have put the subdivisions under these divisions. So I want to come and reference here and emphasize that I want to be clicking each divisions, and then I get their subdivisions. I click comma, and then I come now and I finalize it with the subdivisions. Now it's just so simple, guys. It's just simple. And once I do this, I close my bracket and I click OK. Click OK. So that's it. So you see now that right here, if I click my southwest, okay, it will give me divisions of southwest. If I click Coupe Manenguba, it comes here, it gives me, you see, options of Coupe Manenguba, Bange Matombe. And if we come here, we will see it here. Okay, so you can be doing your testing using the tables that you have organized. If I come here again and I click northwest, it gives me all divisions of northwest, and maybe I want to click Mezam. And when I go to Mezam, I see Bafut and Bamenda. So let's check Mezam and see if that is true. So this is my Mezam here. So we have Bafut and Bamenda. Okay, this is powerful, guys. And then there's another trick here. Let's say I want to share this to the other cells. You remember, I can share this with other cells here like this, and then I have the same results. Okay, but you see that if I share this with the other cells, I'm not going to have the same result. For instance, if I come here and I choose northwest, you see that it shows northwest. If I come and choose southwest, it will still show northwest. You see why? There's a trick here. Let me show you. So what I'll do now, I'll just go back. Okay, so in order to share this to other cells, I'll still click in here, and I come to data validation, go to data, and I go to data validation, and then I come here. Now I'll come to this first option that I referenced. Remember, I referenced this here. Okay, and it gave me $B $8. So $B $8. So it gave me this cell $B $8. So what I'll do is I'll come here and I remove the second dollar. So it will now remain. You will now have just $B 8. Okay, and I click OK. So when I do that, you see that I can now share and I have the same result. Sorry, what's happening here? Okay, perfect. You see now that if I come here and I click southwest, it will give me regions of southwest. See, FACO is there. If I come again here and I click northwest, it will give me regions of, you see, northwest. Okay, so you must pay attention to some of the tricks that I've shown you here, and this way you can apply this in any other context. Thank you all so much and stay blessed.
Thank you all so much. I hope this helps, and please do well to reach out to us if you need further training on Excel and or Kobo or Power BI. Please let us know in advance so we can prepare an amazing one-on-one class and build your capacity even more and more for your organization and also for your personal career. Thank you all so much, and continue to stay blessed as you follow us.